Where to find the best sites. Things to do while traveling. Howdy. So you want to know more about things to do in a snowstorm? These are the best resources we could find on the web. Our top-ranked site to learn about things to do in a snowstorm is thingstodo.expedia.com. See the page titled Things to Do in Orlando, find top attractions, activities. This is the link. You can also try www.thingstodo.com, especially the page Things to Do in Florida, Central Florida Attractions. Here's the link. If you don't find useful information on the previous sites, see thingstodo.expedia.com. The web page Things to Do in Barcelona, find top attractions. This is the link.